everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you two super cute hairstyles that are suitable for Valentine's Day. It's coming up, so I'm so excited to show you some simple and very romantic hairstyles. First, I'm brushing the hair to make sure it's completely knots-free. And for this look, I'm going for a deep side part. You can definitely go for a middle part, but because it's a 60s, 70s kind of look, the side part works perfectly. To create volume at the crown, I'm teasing the hair with the same brush. And I'm taking one big hair section to create the cushion that I need at the roots. And with the same brush, I am gently combing the hair back in place. To secure the front part to the side, I'm using this very cute hair clip. The last step is to get rid of any flyaways by spraying hairspray on the brush and brushing my hair with it. Moving on to the second hairstyle, again, I'm going for a side part, and for this look, I'm using 3 identical hair clips. Placing the first hair clip on top of the ear. The second one goes halfway the first hair clip, and the third one goes halfway the second hair clip. This way, they overlap each other perfectly, hiding the hair underneath. To create some texture, I'm teasing or backcombing the hair gently and of course always finishing off with some hairspray. So that's it for today's look. I hope you guys liked it. I love how I kept it all very simple and just played around with the hair accessory to make a statement. So it's definitely something you can do if you're not into the ponytails or the bun, or because it's a little bit too romantic or too chic. This is still very romantic, but in a very natural way. And if you have curly hair, it will work amazing. Even if you have very straight hair, it will look as gorgeous because it's all about the hair accessories. So try it out and let me know what you guys think. Happy Valentine's Day. If you're celebrating it or not, enjoy the day and spoil yourself. See you next time. Bye.